Alright, let's go ahead and spin the wheel. Okay! Let's actually spin the wheel for good now. Get something good. Little Shadowmoor. Huh. Alright. Alright, guys. So, hopefully we get a little Pop-Tart action. And, you know, I'm usually pretty greedy when I do these, but I'm just going to hope for a foil Fulminator Mage and just a Wilt Leaf Leash. You know, that's just not gonna ask for that much. Oh, Pop-Tart! We did it! Oh, Pop-Tart. Careful now. Ah, oh, damn you. Almost had it. Oh, we're losing it. Damn. Not too bad, though. Not too bad. So, we are going to start it off with a Crabapple Cohort, Aether Toe, Gravel Gill Axe Shark, Soot Stoke Kindler, Steal the Godhead, love this card, Safehold Elite, Shadowmoor Cohort, Apothecary Initiate, Whim Waiter, yeah, Toil to Renown, Thornwatch Scarecrow, gotta love that tribal Scarecrow. First uncommon is a Grief Tyrant, sexy looking bastard, Corrosive Mentor, Heap Doll, and you guys think it's a Fulminator Mage? If you think it's a Fulminator Mage, I need you to really want it. It's not worth much, but this is definitely, if I ever make a paper Green-White Hate Bears in Modern, I'm definitely going to use this. This is Fracturing Gust. It is an instant for 2 and a combination of green and white for the 3 others, so 5. Destroy all artifacts and enchantments. You gain 2 life for each permanent destroyed this way. So really good against Affinity. For those that don't want to play Hercule's Recall, whatever that like $80 card is, ridiculous online. So alright, ooh, what are you? Gleemax. Huh. There you go. So we got a Fracturing Gust, a Steal of the Godhead. Nothing else really that exciting, but we did get our Pop-Tart package. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, if you liked this video, do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Also, feel free to click on the videos down below to see other great content my channel has to offer. I can't promise you that it's going to be entertaining. I can't promise you that it'll be educational and that you'll learn something, but I can make you one promise, and that is that every single video I upload will have at least one fat person in it.